So here with Marisa Miller, the Internship Coordinator at Advising and Career Services, and I wanted to ask you, Marisa, I noticed when I looked at the website that there is a thing called Handshake, and I didn't have time to really get too deeply into it, but it looked like a really important service that you have here for students, and I wondered if you could talk a little bit more about what it is, how it works, what it's for.
Absolutely. Handshake is our job and internship portal here at PSU. If an employer reaches out to PSU and says, I want a PSU student for any job or internship, we have them post it on Handshake first before we start circulating that opportunity in other ways. So very often that's the first place for students to check. It's going to have the most robust amount of job and internship opportunities. We post between 1 and 300 every week.
Wow.
You can also target that search, for example, if you're not from the Portland area and you'd like to find an internship back home, if you're from the Midwest or something like that, you can also use Handshake for that. It is a really incredible resource for students simply because you don't have to be on a special list or know the right person. We have employers post those directly to Handshake. I know that it can sometimes be a little bit finicky if you over-filter the search on Handshake, so my recommendation is always to start broadly and see what opportunities come. It also has an algorithm that works based on your search history, so if you use the favorite tools, it will start to email you as things that you're interested in are posted, so that way you don't have to be in there quite as often, which is helpful. But Handshake, I would say, is our #1 resource for job and internship opportunities.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah.